Okay, so nearest neighbor interpolation. What we're going to do here with nearest neighbor interpolation in a Voronoi diagram is it's quite easy. If you pick a point and it lies within a cell, then it's going to assume the same value as that site is given. So for instance, if we're looking for a temperature which is going to be here at -1,4, it's going to take the temperature of 13 because that's what you get at site A. If we take a point here at 5,1, then it's going to take the temperature of 8 degrees, which is the location of site B. Now if it lies on an edge, then we find the average of the two cells that that edge belongs to. So for instance, if we're looking for something at this particular site, this particular site here at 1,4, if we're looking for the average temperature at 1,4, it's lying on the edge of sites A and B. So we need to use an average of these two, and the difference here is 5, so the average is going to be 10.5. Finally, if it lies at a vertex, like in this location, then it's going to be the average of all three. So let's have a go at this question. Using nearest neighbor interpolation, find the average temperature at the following points. So at 0,3, let me get my pen, at 0,3, we are going to be here. So here we're in site A, so our answer here is going to be, this is going to be at site A, 13 degrees centigrade. Let me just get a degree symbol. 13 degree centigrade. Okay, next up, if it's going to be at -2,1, -2,1 is here. This is -2,1. It lies on the edge of sites A and C. We can see that this is the edge for these two sites. If we draw the line between them, we can see it's the perpendicular bisector. So if it's at this particular location, it's going to have the average of A and C. And the average of A and C is going to be 12 degrees centigrade. So here we have the answer, 12 degrees centigrade. Lastly, we have the location at 1,2. So the location at 1,2 is this vertex here. So we need to find the average of all three. I'm just going to use my calculator for that one. So to find the average of all three, we are going to have 13 plus 8 plus 11 divided by 3. Control Enter. That's going to give us 10.7. So our answer there is going to be 10.7 degrees centigrade. And that is how we use nearest neighbor interpolation in a Voronoi diagram. It sounds much harder than it is.